Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is celebrated by Hindus all over the world. People decorate their homes with diyas and rangoli. It marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. Families burst crackers and enjoy fireworks. People wear new clothes and exchange gifts. Delicious sweets like laddu and barfi are made. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped for wealth and happiness. Diwali spreads joy, love, and togetherness. It is a time to celebrate with family and friends. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.